Have you ever wondered why some first dates turn into beautiful relationships while others never go beyond that first awkward conversation? Believe it or not, small mistakes on a first date can make or break your chances of building something meaningful. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to navigate the world of dating with confidence and build a healthy, lasting relationship, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 6 essential first date mistakes that could ruin your chances and what to do instead. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more relationship advice. Now, let's get started. 1. Leave the past. Where it belongs, your past relationships, mistakes, or heartbreaks. Keep them out of the first date. This is your chance to build a new future, not relive old stories. Talking about exes, bad breakups, or past regrets right away can make your date feel like a therapist rather than a potential partner. Instead, focus on the present and future, your goals, interests, and what you're looking for in life. There will be plenty of time later to share personal history once the connection has grown. 2. Being late is not mysterious. It's just rude. Some people think arriving late makes them look less eager or cool. Reality check, it's actually a sign of disrespect. Punctuality shows that you value and respect the other person's time. If you want to start things on the right foot, be on time, or better yet, be there a few minutes early. First impressions matter. 3. Don't turn it into a monologue. A great date is like a ping-pong match. Back and forth, equal participation. If you dominate the conversation and barely let your date speak, you might come across as self-absorbed or uninterested in their thoughts. Nobody wants to feel like an audience member at a one-person show. Instead, ask thoughtful questions and listen actively. People appreciate good listeners, and it makes for a much more enjoyable conversation. 4. Money talks. Not on the first date. Yes, financial compatibility is important in a long-term relationship, but bringing up money too soon can give the wrong impression. Discussing salaries, investments, or financial expectations right away might make you seem materialistic or transactional. Keep the first conversation light and fun. Focus on getting to know each other as people first. There will be time later to talk about money matters. 5. Don't rush it. Give the relationship room to grow. Even if you feel instant chemistry, don't jump the gun. Some people get so excited about a promising first date that they start planning the future right away. Hold on. Relationships need time to develop naturally. Instead of getting ahead of yourself, enjoy the moment, take things step by step, and let the connection build at its own pace. 6. Acting too cool can backfire. A lot of people are afraid of rejection, so they act distant or indifferent to protect themselves. But here's the thing. Nobody enjoys dating someone who seems completely uninterested. If you're too closed off, your date might assume you're not interested and move on. Confidence isn't about playing hard to get. It's about being genuine while maintaining a healthy balance. Be yourself, show interest, but don't overdo it. Dating isn't about games or power moves. It's about genuine connections. By avoiding these common first date mistakes, you'll set yourself up for a better, smoother, and more successful dating experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more dating and relationship tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.